often?
Such a palava, such a disgrace. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a disgrace.
It's gonna be good!
Yeah, I can tell this one's good. Wait,
Wow.
wait, why are they doing that?
I didn't get it. To make a straight line, but it was a straight line. Anyway.
Did you really need that? Did you really need to ruin your card for that? I don't know.
I don't know neither, but that
Do you
was
know?
fine. I know.
Oh, okay.
I know.
Okay. Archie 5 knows.
Yes, what exactly should I know?
I don't know. Okay, so that's kind of cool actually to get right in the corner there.
Yeah, to prevent the crack and cover this hole.
Ooh, nice.
Always
Okay.
cover your hole.
Always cover your holes. It's
Yeah.
true. It's true. It's life advice.
Exactly.
I learned that in camp, summer camp. Connect the wire. Okay, cool.
Strong connection.
Strong connection.
Now you know.
Strong connection.
Okay.
I don't know. I've never experienced a strong connection.
Bet for you.
Yeah. Oops.
If you do,
Let us know. Okay. So we have a nice stopper.
Yeah. Okay.
We're ruining some more tools. I love how we do that all the time. That's so fun. Ah.
For some specific moment, you know.
It's good,
how
but then
many-
it's not good in the way that it was supposed to be used anymore.
Exactly. So, but that's weird. How many times for your work you're taking out the nails? You know.
Such
Not
a
often.
such a palava, such a disgrace. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a disgrace.
Wow. So it's the way how to make the straight figures.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, he's pretty skilled. I think it just takes skill. It's not necessarily like, you know, a tool. Okay. Now we have a pipe into the bottle. What are we doing? Glue it around. Drill into the wall. Why are we doing that? I always worry about drilling into my wall at home because it's like, there's always, you never know where the electric things are. So
You never know, but you know.
you're kind of like, okay, here we go.
Actually, you know, once it happened, twice for my life it's happened with me.
Really?
Yeah. Recently, I just want to make the hole for the. You know, I just want to make a hole.
Yeah.
Well, what's
To protect
for
it.
once, of course. And I went right into the cable which went to the AC. You know, and I broke the AC.
Shoot.
mean-
I mean, it's not that difficult of a fix, right? Like once, but you have to get into the wall and stuff. That's the difficult part.
That's the difficult part. I mean, you need to take out the wires and everything. But the thing is,
Yeah.
okay,
That's pretty good.
that's too kind of. I checked. I found the line. I made the straight line. I thought like that should be the wire
wire,
here.
yeah.
Yeah. So I'll go build left, and I went right.
You did it anyway. Your calculations were off.
So yeah.
It's okay. It happened. Okay.
Okie dokie.
An adjustable screw thing. That's interesting.
That's thing which we also tested, and it surprisingly works.
This is an ugly looking tool though.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of fine.
It looks like it doesn't get invited to family dinner at the other tool, houses.
Yeah.
It gets kept. It's locked in the basement. It's not a happy tool.
You know.
It's been to prison a couple times.
Wow. But okay. Special gadget for running nails.
Okay, now what are we gonna do with this hammer? Ah, to protect your fingers.
Nice. I saw that IKEA make this thing. And
Yeah.
then they put it in your, in your contraption which you buy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, where it's necessary
To
drive
hammer
it in,
something,
yes, they put such a thing.
How considerate of IKEA.
Yeah.
You gotta love the Swedish.
Okay. What? Okay. Level up.
So it's a double, level, literally. Wow. That was impressive. Huh? Okay, so now we're leveling up, and we can level around corners.
Nice.
I like that one.
Lovely. I didn't get the idea in the beginning. I thought make it more portable.
Yeah.
But it turned interesting.
More key twisting, very good. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Ooh, hey, oh wait. Ooh, ooh, buddy.
It always ooh.
Yeah, that's a nice cut. That's a nice cut. It's never that smooth though. It always, for me anyway, like cutting wood with a thing is never like, it looks like butter for some people, but for me it's like.
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
I don't know.
This is interesting. Bringing a wheel up to the... Why?
So easy peasy.
Is it though?
What?
Is it easy peasy?
I mean, kind of to make it step by step.
Yeah, but she had to go back
This
and forth. She didn't show the process of getting down to go up, to get down to go up.
Okay, maybe yes. Okay, yeah, maybe she can lift it up a lot, so that's easier.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know most things.
Down. Okay, really.
Okay, why through the...
To get a dust.
To get the
there.
dust. Yeah, I've done that with, what do you call it? With a dusting pen.
Yeah.
It works pretty good, well as well.
Okay. I doing this with a piece of paper.
Okay, yeah, that works as well.
And tape. That's it. Just bend it. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
They just on regular. Or
And for your little
special.
tool shelf, you can get all the loose nuts and bolts. Nice. Not too bad.
Now losing it more.
That's a good idea.
Wow, that's.
If you're too weak.
But is it gonna work?
I think we should maybe try it. Should we try
Shall
it?
we?
Well, I don't know.
Well, let us know.
Let us know.
Wow.
That one's good.
That was nice. Oh.
Finally, a use for those silly scissors. I thought they were just for preschool activities. Cutting paper into squiggly lines.
Yeah, but I think it was,
Also silly.
yeah.
No! There's no serious use for silly scissors.
Okay.
Yeah, this is cool.
Okay, gotcha. It's how to make this, these metal things.
Yeah, exactly. Very
I like
nice.
it. We tested with a lighter, and it will also work. So.
Exactly. You gotta watch it. Find that video. In the millions of videos. Find it.
If you know how to find, you always will find.
Whoa, that was so deep. God, bro. If you know how to find, you will find. If you don't know how to find, you won't
never find.
You just won't.
It reminds me.
I didn't know you were a philosopher.
Yes, I do. Sometimes.
I do philosophize. Cute. I wish my mustache was longer so I would twirl it. Okay.
Anyway, it was nice. I thought it's just a cup
holder. Yeah, but it's
just for your coffee.
You can put anything in there. Anything you put your mind to, you can put in there. But remember,
what was that?
I don't know. But remember to cover your holes. All right. So now we have. What are they doing with this?
The screwdriver.
Okay.
Yeah. So okay.
It depends what you want. Yeah. Whenever you're done with your brushes, just break it and make a screwdriver. And whenever you're done with your screwdriver, break it and make a brush.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
Easy peasy. Wow. So what is this? It's just
I don't know.
How to connect this
to the best of us.
And I don't know. Is it means that I'm lucky, man, or no?
I mean, it's lucky that I don't know. I don't know actually. I don't think it's lucky. You're alive though, so that's good.
Me neither. Yeah.
You didn't get electrocuted, which is always fun.
Always fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have. All right.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Now we break through some wood. A little bit more wood.
It's actually nice too.
That's awesome. I want to test that.
You can ask Butch.
Yeah?
Yeah, he
Very
does
good.
this, so.
Very good.
And it's not that easy to be honest.
Yeah, it seems like it would take a lot of strength, a lot of pressure.
You need to,
hit it
drive it in and hit it in.
Okay, very cool.
Oh, we tested this gadget as well.
A nice circular cutter.
Yeah, I love it.
It looks really cool, yeah.
And this one as well. So many gadgets which we already tested.
You should check them all out on RG5.
Please.
Boom.
No.
Let us know which one is your favorite and leave a screenshot so we know that you actually checked it out. Otherwise, how are we supposed to know? We're so insecure. Help us.
Please.
Please.
Oh, yeah. This gadget we didn't check, but I think it's worth a check.
Yeah,
But it always looks dangerous.
it does look pretty dangerous.
And you know, with this gadget as well.
Very nice.
Yeah, okay. Butch said that it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's
That's
not
the
bad.
best thing. That's the best compliment anyone could ever
Yeah.
give, or could get. Not bad.
No, but
Butch hasn't even said not bad to me, so I'm still waiting for my day.
you know, once it was happened with me.
Really?
Yeah,
Very good.
but
That's
you know,
like that's better than being knighted by the queen. That's more
Yeah.
honor.
wow, he made my day.
Yeah, that's good.
The week, month, life.
Wow, not bad.
So wow, yeah,
That's cool.
That's cool.
Ooh.